Welcome to the channel, people. We are in the workshop. We've got it all going on there. There's the new bike, and here we are. So this is going to be the best Christmas present ever. It's almost a shame to sell it as a Christmas present because they just cost so much money, but it's going to be worth it. It's going to be for a special brother of mine. We are going to be rocking this stuff out. So plan is that battery's coming out, controller's coming out. I'm putting the battery and controller off of this, and so we're going to have the SW900, the 1500 watt sine wave controller with the high discharge battery in there, so my brother can get up them hills. I'm changing. We're going back from the moto seat and we're going back to the bicycle seat and that bad boy. My brother prefers the bicycles. We're changing the rear coil just to a straight shock, but I'm going to keep these the killer forks on it because they look sick. And he gets that 26-inch front through axle enduro wheel, which I know if I put a normal quick release wheel on there, he's not going to like it. It just looks so much better with this on it. Be a shame to say goodbye to him, but at the same time, they're just things, aren't they? Who cares? But yeah, so this is going to be the rebuild of this. So it's going to be stripped really and then rebuilt, ready for Christmas. Well, I best start going, guys, haven't we? Always. Well, Anarchy's already doing.